Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Land Rover Defender 3-litre D200 Hart Top, finished in Pangea Green Metallic exterior paint, with 18-inch sparkle white steel wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, automatic LED headlights, black contrast power folding heated door mirrors, rear privacy glass, and beneath the bumper we can see the deployable tow bar. Entering now behind the rear door we can see the bulkhead, rubber Loadspace Liner, and the full-size spare wheel mounted on the door. As we enter into the cabin now, we can see the Ebony Cloth Seats, which as you can see are in fantastic condition. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise controls with the heated steering wheel button, interactive driver display with DAB radio, and the hands-free controls. We have the clear sight rear view mirror, and on the touch display we have satellite navigation and the 3D surround camera system. On the centre console we have the climate controls, as well as the heated seat controls. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.